faster, one is slower. What do you like better? I know, you see, I know you saw it. Which one is better for social? Slower, I thought so too. Okay, thanks. You wouldn't get bored of watching it in 24 seconds, right? Okay, thanks. I'll
fire.
I know.
Well guys, another awesome video from Haulover Inlet. This time a little mix of everything, so I hope you liked it. In my case, I really loved that cigarette at the first take. It was beautiful seeing it in person. The sound and everything was just amazing. Yes, I've been having some troubles with my audio, and this time it wasn't that great on the video, but I'm fixing it so that next time I go film, the audio is back to normal. It's really important for me to give you the best sound possible. You know, sometimes the wind is just too much, but I will try to do my best to always bring you the best content. Another thing, I want to thank all the new subscribers and all the people that are leaving comments in the video. That's really important for me, and if you can keep doing it, I appreciate that. So again, I will be posting regularly. I have all the footage that I need, so I can keep you entertained every day. So if you want to come to the channel every day, you will always find 1 to 2 videos per day. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.